This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the language in Google Chrome. I'm going to jump over to the Google Chrome browser. Make sure you sign into Google. First thing you need to do is click on the little three-dot hamburger menu at the top right side. Click on that. Go down to Settings. Click on Settings. And now off to the left here, you want to click on this Advanced drop down. Where it says Advanced, click the little drop down arrow and select Languages. From here, you want to click this little drop down here where it says Languages. There's a little drop down here. Click on that little drop down and then click Add Languages. Then you'll select the language you want to use. I'm just going to select something random here, German. I'll select German. I'll click Add. Now to make the language that you just selected the default language for Google Chrome, find the language here that you just inserted. I inserted German. Select the little three-dot drop down here, the little three dots next to it. Select that. And then click the top box. Check the top box. It says Display Google Chrome in this language. Select that. And then you'll have to click Relaunch. Now Google Chrome's going to relaunch. And now it is in German. That's how you change the language, though. Thanks for watching.